Hi there guys, it's Chris here with selfmadenewbie.com, and in this video we're going to go into an AdCreative AI review. So if you are looking to create ads, you need help with your ad creation, your targeting and that whole process, this is definitely going to be for you. So before we jump in, drop a like and subscribe and hit the bell to be updated with new videos. Alright, so as usual, I'm going to skip the fluff and just jump right in to talking about AdCreative AI. We're going to go into the features, pros, cons, and my own experience with it, so you can make a more informed decision about whether it's right for you. So AdCreative AI, or AdCreative AI, has been coined a game changer in the world of digital advertising, designed to alleviate these pain points. The tool promises to revolutionize the way you approach ad creation, making it more efficient, data-driven, and tailored to your audience's needs. So it really stands at the intersection of technology and creativity, redefining the landscape of digital advertising, and born out of the need to streamline the ad creation process, which is quite tedious, no matter what platform you're using. In the ocean of digital content, standing out is definitely more challenging than ever, and AdCreative AI is not just another tool, it is really a partner that understands the nuances of your brand, audiences, and objectives. And by leveraging advanced algorithms and machine learning, it can ensure that your advertisements are not just seen, but also remembered. So while its core lies in AI-driven processes, the essence of AdCreative AI is to empower you as an advertiser. By taking away the guesswork and manual intricacies, it allows you to focus on what truly matters, which is building the meaningful connections that you need with your audience. So let's jump into some of the features. So what I really like is the automated ad design. You can say goodbye to tedious manual design processes. AdCreative AI can craft visually appealing ads tailored to your audience, ensuring maximum engagement. You get data-driven insights. So with its built-in analytics, you're equipped with actionable insights, understanding which ads are resonating and which are not. You get multi-channel support, so whether you're targeting social media, search engine, or display network, AdCreative has really got you covered. User-friendly interface, so complexity shouldn't hinder your creativity, and with its intuitive design, even those new to digital advertising can navigate and create with ease. I also like the real-time A/B testing. This allows you to eliminate the guesswork and test multiple ad variations at the same time and let the AI determine the best performer, ensuring optimal ROI. The customizable templates are great as well. So while automation is key, personal touch does matter. So you can choose from a plethora of templates and then also customize them to align with your brand's voice and aesthetic. Also seamless integrations as well. AdCreative AI integrates effortlessly with popular CRM and marketing platforms, which is great for just streamlining your whole workflow. And also scalability. Whether you are a budding startup or an enterprise, AdCreative AI can scale to meet your needs, ensuring consistent performance, irrespective of the ad volume. So diving into some of the pros, in my opinion, I would say the big pro here is time saving. With automation at its core, it's going to drastically reduce the hours spent on ad creation, allowing you to focus on strategy and other tasks. It's cost effective, I would say. By consolidating multiple functionalities in one platform, you can significantly cut down on expenses relating to perhaps hiring designers or investing in multiple tools. The consistent branding is great. You can ensure every ad, irrespective of the platform, maintains a consistent look and feel, fortifying that brand recognition and trust. And also adaptability. As market dynamics shift, AdCreative AI is really right there with you, evolving and ensuring your ad remains relevant and impactful. You can also employ data-driven decision-making. You can empower your strategies with actionable insights, ensuring every decision is really backed by data. Also, the seamless integrations, which I mentioned before, with its ability to integrate with popular marketing platforms, your workflow becomes a lot more smoother and cohesive. Now, diving into some of the cons, or at least considerations I've picked up on. Less human touch. So while AI is incredibly efficient, there might be moments you yearn for a bit of human creativity. However, with the customizable templates, you can always add your personal touch, bridging that gap. So perhaps use the AI as your foundation and then just touch it up just to give it your own bit of flavor. There's also somewhat of a learning curve. Every powerful tool requires some getting used to, and AdCreative AI does boast an intuitive interface. So with a bit of exploration, I do think most of you will be fine. And the final con is subscription costs. So that while there is an associated fee, you could really consider it an investment. The returns in terms of time saved and increased ad efficiency and enhanced brand presence might outweigh initial costs, but if you don't have money to spend, then that might be a con for you. So jumping into my own experience, so having been deeply entrenched really in the world of digital marketing for years, I've had my fair share of experience with various tools. However, my journey with AdCreative AI has been nothing short really of transformative. I remember the first time I stumbled upon it, I was skeptical yet intrigued, and I did give it a shot. The promise of an AI-powered design that could simplify advertising processes is too tempting to resist, and I'm very much into AI, so I had to give it a try, and I must say that it really doesn't disappoint. The seamless integration of AI into the creative process was evident from the get-go. Tasks that would typically take hours are now able to be accomplished in minutes. The designs are not just fast, but also incredibly effective, and they will resonate with the target audience and amplify your message, with or without really your human touch, although I would recommend at least proofreading and going over it and adding, a bit of your unique style or brand characteristics to whatever you are putting out. So navigating through the AdCreative AI website is also a breeze. Everything from tutorials to customer support is structured to ensure a smooth experience. It's evident that the team has put a lot of thought and effort into the products. And in conclusion, I would say that my experience has been overwhelmingly on the positive side. And it is a testament to how the right tool, powered by AI, can really just be a game changer in especially time saved and helping you to just avoid tedious tasks that, can take hours a lot of the time. So to wrap up, AdCreative AI does emerge, I think, as a beacon of innovation. It does offer a blend of automation, data-driven insights, and adaptability. It's not just about creating ads, it is about crafting memorable experience that resonate with your audience. The challenges of the digital advertising realm are many, but with the right tools, I think they can really help and they become opportunities. AdCreative AI is more than just a tool, I would say. Like many AI tools I talk about on this channel, it can really act as a partner that is going to guide you through the intricacies of ad creation and ensure your brand is putting out the right stuff to the right people. So if you're ready to elevate your advertising game, I would click that link down in the description there. And do give it a go for free while that special still lasts. Alright guys, so that's my experience. That's what I took away from AdCreative AI, going through the features, pros and cons there, and also my own personal experience. Hopefully you can take something away from that. If you do have any further questions though, do drop them down in the comments below. And if you found value in this video, drop a like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.